quick video. 14 street light special. We're gonna do another handlebar job. Guys, if you wanna get a handlebar job, give us a call. We'll get you in and out of here. This gentleman's going with 14-inch LA Chopper Prime 8 handlebar. It's gonna go, of course, we always recommend the Magnum shielding. He's gonna go with stainless steel cable kit. So it's gonna be a nice before and after. So if you're looking for a handlebar job, give us a call. 10% off cable kits, 15% off bars. We'll do it before and after. 14 street light special, stock. It's gonna be a nice before and after. So stay tuned and follow. So we're back with the 14 street light special. We're going with the LA Choppers Grande Prime 8 handlebar. These things are 1.5 inches thick. They're big, they're bold, and they're beautiful. One thing about these bars is that they come with LA Chopper's proprietary riser system. So you're gonna eliminate your lower and top risers. It's gonna bolt right on into the lower triple tree and into the handlebar bushings. And then right into the bar, and it'll sit like such. So anyway, we're gonna do before and after, 14 street light special. LA Choppers Grande Prime 8 bars going on. It's gonna look sharp. Take a look, follow us, docsmc.com. We're back, 2014 street light. It looks great. Marshall, you were right. I'm gonna quote you again. They're big, they're bold, they're beautiful. LA Chopper Prime 8 handlebars, 1.5 inches thick. They look sharp. They really do. Magnum shielding, stainless steel cables. Guys, if you're looking for handlebar jobs, we'll have you in and out. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook. Subscribe to us on YouTube. Find out for more, okay? Here we go.